Your little kitty needs a litter box, but it can spoil your interior, don't you think? Besides, a cat often needs some privacy too. There are some ways to hide it so that it will become an original decor accent or just a cohesive part of it. Need ideas? Here they are. 1. A Scandinavian cat litter box cover of plywood with a round entrance and on legs can double as a side table. 2. A simple and neutral white cabinet with a cat litter box inside and everything necessary inside it too. 3. A blue cabinet renovated for a cat with an entrance and doors for comfortable cleaning can double as a side table. 4. This built-in cat toilet unit in the powder room with an entrance and clad with tiles to perfectly match the house. 5. A simple cat litter box cover made of an IKEA whole table or bench can be placed in your entryway. 6. A space under a sink with a cat toilet and frosted glass doors plus access to it from both sides. 7. Try this IKEA hack. A Best Eye unit with a cat litter box inside and a comfortable entrance is cool and easy. 8. A staircase with a built-in cat toilet. It's a large, sleek drawer with a cat head entrance is perfect for a minimalist space. 9. This IKEA whole table hack with a cat litter box inside and lots of plants on top fulfills 2 functions. 10. Build in a cat litter box into your staircase space. It can be a drawer that is to pull out for cleaning. 11. 2 IKEA lack tables with paper covers, a cat litter box under them, and a basket cat bed on top. 12. A neutral cabinet with a cat cutout for entrance and a cat litter box inside is a stylish and simple solution. 13. A white cabinet with a cat litter box inside and a shovel on the door is a simple and elegant solution. 14. A neutral bathroom with a storage unit and a cat cabinet built in the lower part plus a simple entrance for a cat. 15. This white coffee table with printed curtains for privacy and a cat litter box under it is a quick idea to realize. 16. A stenciled black and white storage bench with a cat litter box inside and an entrance on one side. 17. A sleek white cabinet with a cat litter box inside in your living room will keep the cat's privacy. 18. This small white box with a cat litter box and a wooden mat in front of it is a cool piece for a bathroom or powder room. 19. A black storage coffee table with an entrance and a cat litter box and some usual human stuff on top. 20. This dark stained plywood box with a cat litter box inside and a simple entrance placed in a bathroom. 21. A tall white cabinet with a cat head-shaped entrance and a cat toilet inside is perfect to save some space. 22. A sink vanity in your kitchen can become a litter box cover. Just cut out an entrance you want. 23. A large cabinet with a couple of litter boxes inside and 2 entrances for kitties is modern and simple.